Hello guys. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, so today I'm going to show you all my WoW characters, well not all, but my alliance. So first off, we have my main, this is Jarillina. She is a feral druid, and I played other specs with her, but feral is my favorite, and balance is my second favorite. Next off, we have Blind Holly. She is I think, Vengeance Demon Hunter? I think Vengeance is the DPS. I do a little tanking with her, and mostly when I'm out by myself. But yeah. Now we have Frost Phoenix, who is my Frost Mage. And I tried the other specs, but Frost is my favorite. And this is her transmog. This is my favorite transmog that I've made. Next we have Sove, my Restoration Shaman. I'm really good at actually playing him. I didn't start doing healing with him until Legion, and I actually really enjoyed it. So, I did healing, and now I'm like really good at healing with a shaman, and mainly only heal with a shaman. Next we have Stinger, who was originally someone else's, but now I have him. Someone close to me gave him to me, because I did have a level 100 in Warlords. And this is his pet. Her name is Dixie. She is a memorial of a kitten my aunt had. She sadly passed away at only maybe 2 months old, and this is my memorial to her. She's in a better place now. May she rest in peace. This is Chloe, spelled wrong, and she's my Worgen Death Knight. Her transmog needs a bit fixing. I'm going with a black and orange themed. And, oh yeah, Stinger, I forgot to mention, is a marksmanship. And Chloe is a unholy Death Knight, because I like the idea of raising ghouls. We have Briggy, my priest, and my oldest character, though she isn't my main and she isn't high level, but she is the oldest character I still have. She is in Shadow Priest form right now, but I usually go disc with her. And yeah, I actually like gnomes. I don't think they're bad. I actually like them as a race. Next we have Jasinya, my monk. You can either pronounce it Jasinya or Jasunya. I like to pronounce it Jasinya. She is a Windwalker monk, but I have tried healing with tanking with her. But I'm going to do one walking with her when I'm leveling her. When she gets to level cap, I'll make her a tank. Next we have Button, and she is my Pandoran rogue. I can't remember what, I think she's outlaw. Yeah, either outlaw or assassination. And not really much to say. Malia, I'm a warlock. She is demonology, I think. I don't really play her often, but when I do, I have the succubus, and that's my favorite warlock pet, because I like the pet that they can, like, kind of daze people, or seduce them or something. I don't know. Laetana, my, Lightforged Draenei, and she's a disc priest. I haven't played her in a while. I set her talents up for this patch, but really I haven't played her in a bit. Now we have Bright Song, my Draenei Paladin. She is a Ret Pally. I did go holy with her, but I started using Ret, and she is a twink. A level 29 twink, and I really like playing her. Next we have Nora, my Worgen warrior. She is a protection warrior. And, I actually didn't do the starting area with her. A warlock summoned her out so I can play her as a level 1 Worgen in Elwyn Forest, and yeah, instead of doing the Gilneas quest. And we have Aria Alexa. I like to call her Aria for short. She's a warlock that didn't really know what to make a transmog of her, so this is what she turned out to be. And yeah, that's pretty much all my alliance characters. I will do another video of my other characters later. And yeah, that's all. Hope hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Also, really sorry for not being on for like almost a year or about a year. I just didn't really know what to do, and I was also a bit bored, so yeah.